So some of you may have seen an older drawing I did of Sonic running, where I used a fidget spinner to showcase his speed, but I thought I could do the drawing a lot better, so I did it again. It's really easy to do and it looks cool, so all you need is a fidget spinner obviously, and then you draw Sonic without his legs. I decided to draw a classic Sonic the Hedgehog as a bit of a tribute to my childhood. Of course you can do it with modern Sonic or a number of the other Sonic characters. Here's one I did earlier of Tails. You can find the full video for that on my channel, so if you like the look of this, give it a watch and give it a like if you do enjoy it. So I've been a fan of Sonic the Hedgehog since Sonic 1 came out on the Mega Drive, so I'm showing my age there a bit, and now I'm very blessed to enjoy these games with my sons as well. Also, one of my sons is a really good artist and draws Sonic even better than me, so be sure to check out his channel, Reichu Studio. I'll put a link for that in the description. Anyway, if you like this, let me know. If you got an idea for another character you'd like to see me do this with, put it in the comments, and I hope you like this.